Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here. This is just going to be a short and quick video, but today I was in here in my onion patch and I was spooning my onions so that they would have room. And for anybody who doesn't know, and I'm sure most of you do, spooning is just a matter of moving the soil away gently from your onion so that your onion doesn't have to push against anything in order to grow. And most people who grow onions know that. I've only recently learned this last year. Of course, last year was the first time I grew onions, so I had to be quick on my feet getting ahead of the game here. But what I found today was some problems. So I'm going to show you in just a second what those problems were. Okay, I've been lucky, and some of you may wonder why I've taken off these beautiful looking specimens of onions. While they're all green, they didn't bend over, they didn't do anything. But they are a nice size for a white onion. And as you can see, my hand, I hope you can see that because it's too sunny for me, but this is the reason why. Because when you, and I believe this happens when they get to a certain size and you start getting torrential downpours or a lot of rain like we have, I believe it causes them to split in half. Now I found two bad ones. Doesn't mean we're not going to use them, because I am going to use them. But I did catch one that was just on the verge of going that way. Let me see if I can find it here. Hello, where are you? Here it is. It had just started, and you can see the small crack. So I'm just going to let it dry. There's no worms, there's no bugs, there's no disease. They just split. So I think with these onions, you can only allow them to get to a certain degree unless they're way up above the ground. And I found one here, I forget which one it is. I believe it's this one. It was well above the ground, so you don't see any of that type of problem. So next year when I do my onions, I'm going to make sure that I do not plant them deep, but I am going to continue to plant them early, even though I thought I had lost everything. Look at all this beautiful greenage here. I mean, it's just beautiful. And I'm going to cut that off in just a few minutes. And I'm going to chop it up, throw it in the freezer, and use it. And I can also chop up these onions if I wanted to and turn them into onion powder if I want to. So that's it for this little video. I hope you like the content. Give me all that good stuff. Don't forget to ring the bell. And thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye.